Hello and welcome to my next video on the channel. In today's video I'll make a review about these two Real Madrid jerseys. One of them is a player version jersey and one of them is a fan version jersey. So I will show you the exact differences between them. I'll also measure them for you so you can choose your size, how the jerseys compare to your other jerseys. And also this one is an XL and this one is an L. So the player version is an XL because on these websites they always say that if you want to buy a player version jersey then you should go one size up. Now I will show you exactly what one size up means, so you will know exactly the sizes, and this is also the same at almost every jerseys, especially the Adidas jerseys. Let's start with this little gift I received from them because I ordered these jerseys during the World Cup. I don't know if they still have these on stock, but if they have, you will probably also get one. These are some little cool bottle openers, and they have this Qatar World Cup thing on them. They are really cool, so maybe you can also get one. If you don't know, you can ask them if they still give it, but during the World Cup everyone received them. But now let's start with the jerseys, and first of all I'll show you the jerseys, how they look like. So let's start with this fan version jersey. This is nothing too special. Fan version, so aero ready technology, nice material, not too elastic but still very high quality. The sponsor logo is heat pressed, very smooth black material, and also the logos, the badges are embroidered, very well embroidered, so they won't really fall off. For my jerseys they never fall off even after washing them. And this is the Adidas logo, this cool little button which even has the year when the club was founded, this elegant color of the jersey, Real Madrid style with purple and black lines, these stripes you have on the shoulders of the jersey, and also this one has the UEFA Champions League badges, number 14. It's a really nice quality, really soft material. They are glued, so they put them on the sleeve, and with the heat press they glue it, and they won't really fall off because they're really well glued. And this is all about the jersey, because the black this time is empty, but you can customize it on the website with any name and number, with the original font, even with special characters. So this would be about the fan version. Now I'll show you real quick the player version jersey as well, and then I will compare them so you can see the exact differences. But this one is a special jersey and you will know immediately why, because it has a special customization. You can see here it's heat ready technology and this authentic badge. Then the Emirates Fly Better is the same, exactly the same, but the badges on this one are also from a plastic material. I presume that they are also glued, somehow printed on the jersey, because they are not embroidered. This is also really high quality. As you can see, the Adidas logo is the same, as you can see, and the button is also really cool. The color of the jersey, very nice. On this one the stripes are not embroidered, they are also from some plastic material. Oh, and this one, it also has this 120 years of history of Real Madrid. And now let's go to the back of the jersey, because this one is really special with this Benzema printing, with the Benzema Ballon d'Or winning a special edition jersey. Now let's start with the name, which is from a really nice material. It's heat pressed, but it's really nice. It's smooth, it's well printed on the jersey, as you can see. So it's really high quality. I really like it, and the number is also really high quality. I don't know how they made this one, but I think that it's exactly like on an original jersey, as you can see, with all these photos with Benzema in the number, and with this goldish color on them. Now let's go to the comparison of two jerseys. So first of all, the overall material and look of the jerseys. This one is a bit more a glowing material, it's a bit more shiny. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it reflects more light. This one is also more elastic material, so it's more comfortable to wear. This one is like curved a bit, and this one is straight. And this also has this authentic badge, which is really nice looking as well. The sponsor printings are almost the same. Now the badges, as I said, this one is embroidered. This is this plastic material, and this is the situation with the Adidas logos as well. Now this one has badges, but the badges would be the same because the badges are always the same. They are just printed on the jersey. First of all, this one has this 120 years, and it has these little dots because the material and everything is more elastic. So you can see how it stretches and everything. The button is the same, but the material is not, and also the stripes are different. And then this one is also, it just feels better, this one, the player version, and I can tell you only from touching it that it will be better for playing football in them. Now let's go to the measurements. This one is exactly 53 centimeters. Now let's look at the height. Okay, so there are 77 centimeters. And I will also measure them from the shoulder to the bottom, and here it's 70 centimeters. So here is 77, here it's 70. And as you can see that this is straight, here is straight, and here is straight also. So it's not made like that slim fit, as you will see now. Let's look at the player version jersey. This also looks a bit straight, but as you can see it has a little bit of curve, especially if I stretch it, so it's made a bit more slim. And this one is only 49, so it's 4 centimeters smaller, even if it's size XL. The length of the jersey is 77 on this one as well, which means that they are the same. So here, but if we measure them, and this is because this is curved and it's not straight, but if we measure them from the shoulder to the bottom, then it will be only 65, which is 5 centimeters smaller than on the exact same place the other jersey. So this is how the both jerseys compare. I really hope you like this comparison. I try to show everything in detail about the two jerseys. Please subscribe because more videos are coming, and also let me know if you have any more questions about these jerseys in the comments below. Thank you, goodbye.